You say the starter is how much?
120 USD.
120. Can't you reduce for me?
Our price is almost fixed for all of the client, but as you are asking for discount, so we will do it for 100 USD. This is our best price.
That is fine.
Okay, this is Paravi and Mr. Faisal and me. We are team member and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member Mr. Faisal has audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues. And if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead.
Yeah, I've looked at the achievements. They're really good and impressive. Um, yeah, even me, I want my videos to be shooting high. So, no, okay, I literally had the plan of doing what? Of, okay, I have few videos on the channel. But in the meantime, literally, my target was have like around 40 videos when I'm already earning. And currently, yeah, that's where I am standing, maybe in SEO and what. So you can advise more on what to do. And yeah, it's okay. I'll be able to wait. I'm waiting.
Okay, okay. So basically, we will optimize your video metadata, and we will promote your videos, and we will research your competitor, and we will promote your videos. We will optimize all of the things, and we will increase your video score. So when we optimize and promote each of the things, then definitely your video will start to getting more views and more subscribers. So uh, for that work, mainly we have two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs 300 USD and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So it's your choice which package you want to start with. Okay, we can at first optimize each of the things according to your analytics, and then after optimizing, you will start to getting more views and subscribers. And to start the work, we have two method. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos by yourself. And our payment system is when you
Yeah.
hire us, you can give 50% in advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. Okay.
You do what? You do Western Union and what?
Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer.
A bank, like I send maybe to your account or how, like Western Union.
Okay, no problem. Our team member, Mr. Faisal, will contact with you for sending money or anything. So right now, we can start with the any of our project. Then payment is not the issue, no problem. So which package you want to start with, a starter or standard?
You say the starter is how much?
120 USD.
120. Can't you reduce for me?
Our price is almost fixed for all of the client, but as you are asking for discount, so we will do it for 100 USD. This is our best price,
That is fine.
and
So,
we will optimize your
so,
10 video, and we will provide the work within 7 days.
so I give you the access to edit.
Yeah, you can give editor access, then you no need to do anything. We can optimize each of the things.
Oh, okay, that is fine. So, which email can I?
After finishing the meeting, our team member Faisal will send his Gmail and payment details to you. Then you can give that access to that Gmail. And if you have faced any problem, then Faisal will help you. No problem.
No, it's fine. That is okay. I'm free with it. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm free
okay.
with it.
So thanks for your time and hope to work with you for a long time. And it would be very pleasure for us if we can grow your channel and if we can work with you for a long time. Okay.
Yeah, it's really a pleasure. So, how will these videos be performing? in the like will they be shooting up to 1,500,000 or even beyond that?
Yeah, we'll guide you how you can gain this type of views. So thanks for your time and hope to work with you for a long time. And bye for now.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, bye bye.
Yeah.